Hey everyone, this is Kevin T. Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your time with me today on my media channel. And I'm sorry about the audio quality. You don't do one of these for a while, then you wake up and you find out, oh, the lapel microphones no longer work. Great, gotta buy new ones of those. But I kind of figure most of you like seeing the discs better than hearing my voice, so we're going to do that. And we're going to return with an interesting unboxing slash reconstruction, if you will. You'll see what I mean. So the Criterion sale is currently going on at Barnes & Noble, so I picked up a couple 4K Criterions at 50% off. I decided to upgrade Picnic at Hanging Rock, this Peter Weir film, on 4K. And this is a very good movie, by the way, about a group of girls who, go on a picnic at this place called Hanging Rock. They walk up into the rock and they disappear. They never come home. And it's very unsettling. Like, what happened to the girls? How does the town respond? Peter Weir makes very fascinating films like this, particularly The Mosquito Coast. And this is the 4K Blu-ray combo. So let's unbox this and let's see what it looks like. And remember, if you are unboxing a Criterion Collection, one thing you must do, and I think this is better than getting high, folks, you open it up, you bring it to your nose, and you smell it. So anyway, here's the 4K disc right here. Has one of the pictures of the girl. Here is the Blu-ray disc. No, I love these designs. Here is the booklet. That's an interesting picture from the movie to choose. And the booklet has the cast of characters, the credits, a editorial from Megan Abbott, which I'm sure is going to be really interesting to read. And then another one by Mark Haltoff. And then, of course, we have about the master, the thanks, production credits. Yeah, this is, one of the reasons we love Criterion. We love these books. So this would normally be where we end the unboxing, or I talk a little bit more about it, but I'm not going to put the discs in just yet. In fact, we're going to leave this one a little open, and there is a reason why. Because we're going to be doing a reconstruction for Criterion, because I also had this on Blu-ray. Now here's probably funniest thing. This is a Costco sticker price. Costco stopped selling physical media years ago, which means I owned this for years, never opened it. I finally watched the movie on the Criterion channel. I streamed it and it was really good. But, that one of the dilemmas of Criterion channels, these things are going to start getting opened more and more as I continue to work on my Criterion history video series on the main iCritic channel. Make sure to check that out. But this is one of their book to film things, and you might notice this is a bit thicker. That's because this has the DVD Blu-ray combo, but it also has the novel by Joan Lindsay. This is, not been, and they didn't put the novel in this one. So here's what we're going to do. First of all, we are going to finally open this thing after so many years. I kind of feel like someone's going to make like a Toy Story type movie about physical media. And it's like, when will he or she open me and watch me? Gonna put that aside, and we're gonna look at the packaging of the Blu-ray. So they use the same picture, but as you can see, this one kind of doubles. Well, now I'm blocking it, but this one doubles it because, oh, okay, so they basically replicated it that way. That's cool. We have the same booklet, so there's no need to do that. Now here's the interesting thing. We have one Blu-ray, and then we have 2 DVDs. Well, here's what we're going to do. We're going to take the DVDs out, And we're gonna put the other discs, because I don't know, I think these discs probably have the same content on them. Oh, by the way, we have that in the background, but because the labels are different, we'll put them there. It's kind of like a backup of a backup. And we're going to compress it that way. And that way I can keep the novel. Which, as you can see, yep, there it is. It's the novel. It's less than 200 pages. I kind of miss when Criterion put things like this in their collections. I understand why they don't anymore. Just quite an extra expense. But there you go. So there. Now I have created a 4K Blu-ray collector set of Picnic at Hanging Rock. Now, what am I going to do with the DVDs? Well, I'm going to put them here and I'm going to sell them on eBay. Don't worry, I'm going to list that it's a DVD collection, and I'm going to try to get some of my money back for the DVD collectors out there. Well, if there's a collector, but if they want like a cheaper alternative, I'm going to sell it for like $6 or $7 on eBay. So anyway, that's Picnic at Hanging Rock. Actually, now that I look at it, I think this case is a little brighter than this one, but you know, whatever. That might be the different materials, might be an age thing. But there you go. We have not only unboxed 2 different versions of the same movie, but we have made an Ultimate Edition out of this. Now, it should be noted that if I had sold this brand new, it would have been $60 or so. That would have been cool. And, you know, I think I have this book on ebook. So some people's like, why don't you just keep this and sell? Well, because I just like having that complete collection. So I was going to mess with this one. But I would like to know, if you were in my position, would you have done this? And if you don't have this movie, do you want it? Which one would you get? Would you pay extra for the Blu-ray with the book, or would you pay for the 4K? Personally, I think if you have to choose, pick the 4K, because you can get the book much cheaper outside of this set. So, and it's a great movie. And by the way, if you've seen the movie, what do you think of it? I would love to know. So comment below, like, favorite, share, subscribe, and as always, flame responsibly. Have a good one. Hey, you made it to the end. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Just a few more things. First of all, the names that you see on the screen, these are our Patreon and YouTube member supporters. And I thank each and every one of them. Their support helps me make exclusive videos for Patreon and YouTube members, as well as keep the channel running. And of course, is just of huge kindness to me. Also, don't forget to check out the iCritic-led podcast on Spotify, Apple, Google, Deezer, whatever podcasting service you listen to. It is there. We definitely want to see you there. And hey, there's also other videos that you can check out. So, you know, check out these other channels, these other videos, especially that one. I think that's a really good one.